This is our first vlog slash cinematic video. We're going waterfall hunting. We haven't done anything like this in the talking form, so first up, gonna go grab some Hungry Jack's iced coffees or chai, whatever Micah drinks, and then we're driving about an hour to a waterfall. Jacked up, let's go. Just arrived at Tosha Falls. We're gonna go check it out. Cinematic video. I'd probably rate that waterfall like a good 7, 8 out of 10. You reckon? Tosha Falls, definitely a good spot to like go for a swim and stuff like that. Has like a nice jumping spot. A bit cold for us today. We're going to another one, I believe, that's called Kisha. Yeah, sweet as. We've just arrived at Killen Falls. Here we go again, check this out. It's been flooding, so the water's like filthy as. Not as good as the first one we went to. Lots more people, but in saying that, it's still beautiful, still awesome waterfall. Bit harder to film some stuff due to just like everything being overgrown and stuff, but yeah, I'd check it out. We're gonna go for a quick dip, get some of that sea salt on us.
How's it going?
And let's hit it. What happened?
No.
Change of plans, we're going to Big Dub, we're going to grab some boogie boards and surf those monster sized waves. Not surf, but you know what I mean.
These are the ones that snap.
That's it.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. We're going boogie boarding. Body surfing with some of these cheap Big Dub things. This went from like a waterfall hunting video to just us randomly doing what we do. And now we're going out. We went to Big W and brought like these super cheap boogie boards. And we're just gonna go smack the surf at these suckers now. Let's hit it. That was insane. We just went boogie boarding and got caught in a fat rip, and to the point where we had like the lifeguard run over asking if we were all good after we finally spent like 30 minutes getting in. It just didn't even take us out. We sat there in like this little whirlpool and we were just stuck. I'm not sure if we'll be taking these things out again. We might have to just stick to the surfboards. Yeah, alright, we're cooking some tea now. This vlog is just all over the place, but this is our day and this is what we do a lot. We just get in trouble and yeah, it's life. Let us know if you want us to do more videos like this. We don't know what we can bring. We think they're like vlogs. We don't know what we're doing. We're just like filming and showing off a bit of like our day-to-day life. Today was meant to be like chasing waterfalls. We ended up at the beach, like drowning in a rip for half of it. So who knows? If you want more content like this, we'll throw some out. Yeah, let us know. Thanks.